Alright folks, just finished up taking a little break. I've got a bunch of stuff out here in front of all of the dirt off of it, but I'll tell you what it looks like before it gets dark out here on the ground and sitting around on the table. Back to the U-Haul place, awning in the back of the U-Haul. So I'm going to take that and over to my mother's house. The city picks up garbage and stuff like that, so I'm going to take that and dump that off over there for them to pick it up. But I got my four-wheeler covered up for the moment, and have it over here. So I just wanted to do an update, and I'll do another one. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to record the process of taking the truck back to the rental U-Haul place or not, but anyway, this is what I've got done so far. So hang tight, here we go. 2 loads, I don't have, but anyway, first thing I'm going to do is try to